This Ruhi bag is going to Sandy and it is going to be delivered at his threshold in 10 minutes from now. Thank you for buying Ruhi tote bag.
कॉल कर दो जब मैं ऑफिस जाता हम आने का टाइम में घुस जाएगा. हाँ हाँ तुम पहुँच के फ़ोन कर दो नहीं तो हमको. ठीक है. Something happened out there. So last night I think because of the rain and the wind, this big tree has fallen and destroyed this newly built gate of the police station. So I am outside DC office. So I inquired whether the deputy commissioner's I-card has arrived because I need it for my passport, but they still don't know if it has arrived. Even the office people do not know. So I've requested them to at least find out if it has arrived or not. I've taken the contact number. I'll wait for one day for them to find out. I think it's very irresponsible on the part of the office bearers. The last time I came here, they told me they'll get it done after elections. Elections are over now, and I've inquired and they have no idea. I mean, I've been waiting for this for over months now. I mean, no one is forcing you to work, or maybe you are getting forced to work, but nothing pisses me off more than people not doing their work properly. So you see, nature has its own way of taking revenge. You cut down trees, you burn down trees, and then the tree will come crashing on you one day. दादाचं कोणाचं घेऊन घेस उसके हम थैंक्स ओके मैंने अच्छा आइडिया दिया नेक्स्ट टाइम बिट्टू शॉपिंग बैग बनाने बिट्टू करेगा ठीक है चलो मिलता तो
I made that toy for you. Third one.
कैसे होगा इट तब तो 2 ना 3
ठीक है जो 2 ही करा.
botanical garden because what is this
This is puthi fry.
what is puthi
Dry. Some fish called puthi.
dried fish
Yeah.
why are we eating this
Because you wanted to.
how come your hair is okay today
Because my hair has not been exposed to anything external, no wind or sun. And I did not go out. And I did go out, but then it's like very gloomy, so there is no wind.
okay
So if there is no wind, my hair stays exactly like a wig. It does not move.
it is well moisturized today
Yeah, very well.
so you don't have a bad hair day
No,
today
no.
you had a bad hair day in the morning
Yeah, in the morning. But after that bad hair day, before you gave me the haircut, but after that I got a hair wash, and then it looks absolutely fine, you know.
so technically it's not a bad hair day today
Yeah,
it was just a bad hair morning
yeah. Good boy.
we are going out because it rained and it is very fresh right now. I'm not fresh. I had 3 pegs of local vodka, which is July. So I'm a little bit tipsy.
Are you?
What about you?
I'm not.
Of course, because you have great hair today. So after it rains, unless it is one of those heavy non-stop rains, it's really nice. The air is fresh. And
I feel
No.
relieved because you're done editing the blog.
I'm done editing the vlog, but the internet connection is terribly slow today, and I think I'm not sure if it will even upload on time.
It will. Like on time, as in it might take the entire night.
Yeah. So, I mean, it has been over 1 hour now, and I've uploaded only 5% of the video.
Okay, so another like until midnight.
But then it might rain. It has been raining every night, and then power will go off, and yeah.
So many atrocities we have to
So
work with while in Haflong.
yes, so this is the entrance of our village, and as you can see, a lot of eucalyptus trees.
But it's dark, I don't know how much will be visible.
This is Namghar, place of worship of the Assamese people, or maybe the aliens. You never know.
Yeah, last time they were aber quiet. When I came back in the evening yesterday, there was power, okay, there was light. And all these women and men were gathered, sitting in front of, they don't believe in idol worship, so they were just sitting there, only with 2 candles lit.
Wow,
I don't know what were they doing.
very creepy. Very, very creepy. You never know what goes around in all these worship places.
चिल्लाओ ना फिर कभी
हम पुट करेगा तेरा चेहरा का अभी हाँ नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में तेरा चेहरा पुट करेगा
कर दो आई एम वेरी
चलो खाता अभी
आइए दिखा दे इसका
हम तो भूख लगा अभी तक नहीं खाया हम
दीदी को दिखा हम
खाया हम खाने के लिए जाते हैं अभी
चलो खाएगा
अरे ये तो कल तो बहुत हवा ज्यादा रहा हो ना
ഒരു पुलिस स्टेशन को उधर में गच्छी गिर गया ना
हाँ उधर तो गिर गया धुला हो गया
धुले हो गया ना
हाँ, लेटा ना दे सब।
बारह टीने ही होगा अभी बारात में आए हैं ना लंबा सीढ़ी लेके हाँ तो ग्रुप में आता है की तरह उनके दिमाग से तो मालूम है कि आधा